Let's be real. Your attention span is cooked. You sit down to do one thing, and 42 tabs later, you're watching a raccoon eat grapes in slow motion. You tell yourself, just 5 minutes on TikTok, but next thing you know, it's dark outside, you're in a conspiracy rabbit hole, and you're wondering if pigeons are government drones. Yeah, this isn't just you. This is all of us. But here's the thing. If you don't fix this now, you're not just losing focus, you're losing years of your life. Your brain was not designed for the world you live in right now. Think about it. Your ancestors' biggest distraction was maybe a bird chirping. Now, buzz, notification, ping, email, ding, someone just like your post from 2016. Every app, every platform, every ad is engineered to hijack your attention. And here's the scary part. Your brain rewards you for getting distracted. Every time you check your phone instead of working, you get a dopamine hit. The more you do it, the more your brain gets rewired to crave quick hits over deep focus. It's not a lack of discipline, it's an addiction. You know how bad it's gotten when you can't even watch Netflix without also scrolling your phone? Like, what's wrong with me? I'm watching $1 million show with explosions, plot twists, and Oscar-winning actors, and my brain still goes, you know what's more interesting? This dog wearing sunglasses. We are living in the golden age of entertainment, and we're bored. That's how fried our focus is. The good news? You can train your brain back into focus. Here's how. Kill the dopamine buffet. Your phone is a slot machine. Turn off every non-essential notification. If it's not your mom or your boss, it can wait. The 5-minute rule. Tell yourself you'll do the task for just 5 minutes. The trick? Once you start, momentum usually carries you further. Single task like it's 1995. Close every extra tab. One screen, one task. No, oh, I'll just check one thing. That one thing will eat your whole afternoon. Feed your brain. Literally. Bad sleep, junk food, and dehydration make you distracted. You can't expect focus if your brain is running on instant noodles and vibes. Practice boredom. Sounds weird, but sit somewhere with no phone, no music, no distractions for 10 minutes a day. It's like a detox for your attention span. Here's the truth. Your time isn't stolen in huge chunks. It's stolen 30 seconds at a time. Every time you check your phone, every time you switch tasks, every time you let your mind wander into distraction. You don't notice it, but it's costing you your best years. So, stop letting your focus get picked apart like free samples at Costco. Rebuild it. Protect it. Because your attention is the most valuable thing you own. And if you don't guard it, someone else will gladly take it.